Hi everyone, this is Lily. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a video for you about my J.Crew factory shoe haul and my Walmart beauty haul. So let's go ahead and get started. So I ordered some shoes from the J.Crew factory site when they were having a sale for Halloween. I don't know if the sale is still going on, but at the time, if you use the promo code TREAT, then you were able to get a discount. So I wanted to show you guys the shoes that I ended up getting. I'm really excited about them because I'm going to be starting a new job in a couple of weeks. So it'll be great to have fresh pairs of new shoes to wear to work. So let's see. The packaging came with these shoe boxes that look like this. So the first pair that I got was, actually I want to show this one first. First pair that I got was the Lily Metallic Heel Patent Ballet Flats. Of course I was excited that they are called Lily and they spell it the same way. But they're also really cute shoes, so very pleasantly surprised. Here's what they look like. So they're just simple black patent leather flats that can really match with anything. And they have this gold metallic heel that I love. And they were super comfortable. I've tried them on already. I commute a lot in the city, so I think these will be able to withstand my commuting. I might also leave one pair in my office so that I don't have to wear them out too much. So this was the first pair, and this one was in a size 8. I wasn't sure which size to get because I have other J.Crew shoes that are flats. They are like the leopard print flats. I forgot the exact name of them. Those were an 8.5, but they fit me just fine. And then I also have the leopard shoes with the kitten heel, but those were only an 8, so I wasn't really sure without trying them on. But these worked out really well in the 8. And the other thing I'll let you know is that I did also go to the J.Crew factory outlet this past weekend, and they didn't have these shoes in the store. So I'm really glad I was able to get them online. So let me show you the other pair real quick. The other pair is the same Lily Metallic Heel Ballet Flat, but just in a different color, which I think is super cute. This color is called Bronzed Clay. So it's kind of like a pinkish color. I don't know if you can tell in this lighting. On the video, it probably looks more like a beige, but in person, it looks kind of like a pinkish color, which I think is so cute. So this will also be like a nice neutral thing to match with anything that I wear, and it just looks so classy with the metallic heels. The other thing I'll say is that I'll show you guys some pictures of them, like maybe I'll put them on my Instagram so you can see what they look like on my feet, but it does show a little bit of toe cleavage in the front, which I think is fine. I think with flats it's always better to have a little bit more room, especially since I have wide feet personally, so these were a great fit. So just to let you know about the pricing of everything, they originally went for $64 or $65, and with the discount that I got, I was able to get each pair for $23.16, which was amazing. And it was also free shipping and no tax, so that was great. They also sent me a coupon that came with it for an extra 20% off. If you spend $100, which I'm probably not going to do that anytime soon, but it's nice of them to send that. So those were the shoes. The next thing that I want to show you guys is just a quick haul that I did at Walmart for some beauty products. So I didn't realize that they actually started carrying some Korean beauty stuff at Walmart, which makes me so happy because I always go to Walmart to get like, cheap but good quality items. So this was the Soo AE or Soo AE, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, brand. So it's spelled SOOAE, which I've never tried before, but I've been curious about it ever since I started seeing it on the Walmart shelves. So the first thing I got was this mask. It's called the Soo AE Keeping Glow Coconut Jelly Mask. I thought the packaging was so adorable. It kind of reminded me a little bit of the Dr. Jart masks that I've seen, and I've still never tried those either. Those are the ones where like you kind of mix it up yourself. I don't know if this one comes with a mixer or anything because I haven't opened it yet, but I'm so excited to try it. It was about $3.50, I think, which is so cheap. So if I like it, then I'm gonna definitely stock up and get more. And it's a decent size. This is, how many ounces is this? I don't even know what I'm looking at right now. Okay, here we go. 3.38 fluid ounces or 100 milliliters. So what it says is that it's formulated with potent moisturizing benefits of coconut oil to replenish and restore the look of youthfully plumped and bright skin. And then for the directions, it just says, after cleansing, prep and refine your skin texture with a toner. Liberally and evenly apply mask all over your face, avoiding the areas around your eyes, and let it absorb. Rinse off thoroughly with warm water. Sounds super easy, and I'm really excited to try this guy. The other thing that I got was this Purifying Charcoal Cleansing Foam. So this is also Soo AE, and it's a decent sized bottle. This is 6.09 fluid ounces or 180 milliliters, and it says it's gentle and effective cleansing with the potent purifying benefits of charcoal and honey with botanical extracts. So I've actually been looking for a charcoal cleanser that I like, that could compare to the one that I bought when I was in Japan from the Daiso store. And I know I've talked about that one all the time. I forgot to show you guys what it looks like. I still have the bottle here, but it's pretty empty. This was the $1 charcoal cleanser that we got at the Daiso store in Japan when we went there a few months ago. And we didn't realize how good it was and that it was only $1, that it would be so good. So we should have stocked up on it because we can't seem to find these here in the US. But I'm trying to see if I can just get like something similar. So I'm hoping that this will be close to that. I have no idea because I haven't opened this yet. But I'll let you guys know after I try these what I think of them. Let me know if you guys have tried any of the Soo AE products. Feel free to leave a comment down below if there's any that you recommend. The other thing I wanted to leave you guys with is that if you're going to be doing any online shopping on either the J. Crew factory site or the Walmart site where you can still find these products there, feel free to use the Ebates shopping portal link that I provided down below. That will give you access to cash back for shopping on those sites through that portal. So if you know that you're going to be making a J. Crew factory purchase or a Walmart purchase anyway, or even any other store that might be on their site, just go through that portal before you make your purchase, and then they'll give you cash back for the amount of that purchase, like a percentage. So there's like different percentages listed on the site for each store. It changes every so often. I use it every time I shop. And if you do go through my referral link, it will give you a $10 off that you can redeem once you make your first purchase. And then you can feel free to refer your friends after that, and then you'll be able to get a bonus for referring your friends. So it's really great. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to give this video a thumbs up if you liked this video. If you would like to watch any of my other future videos, feel free to subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell if you'd like to get alerts whenever I upload a new video. Thanks guys, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.